Hello friends, welcome to the Excel problem solving session. Let's go to the problem. I have a table contains employee names and number of tasks. I want to see each employee engaged in different tasks with higher cells to create a proper backup plan. Could you please help? I just created some sample like a sample of 6 tasks and performer backup plan 1, backup 2, and we considered 4 members in this. And we want to use the conditional formatting to highlight the cell. So how we are going to use the conditional formatting? So you go to home, you will have conditional formatting. Then you have to go to the new rule. So you can see format values where this formula is true. Now we are going to use formula. So whenever using the formula, you have to start with is equal to, and then in the conditional formatting, always first cell will be considered in the selection. So you will be considering the first cell, this one. If you remember in the lesson number 9, we discussed about the absolute reference and relative reference. So in this case, wherever the value is there, we want to highlight the same cell. So that is the reason we have to unlock both. And then is equal to, I want to check based on the person. Okay, so I will change the color to green and click on OK and click on OK. Now you can see all the member list has been highlighted. If member 1 is doing this task also needs to be highlighted. Now to do that, we have to use a small formula is called match. So is equal to match. I'm going to use the lookup value. So lookup value is going to be my member 1 and lookup array. In lookup array, I'm going to use this is my list, then comma. Then if you want exact match, I'll use exact match, then close. Now you can see you have 1 here and similarly you will be having. Okay, here I did not lock the cell because it is going to the next cell. So we need to lock the cell. To lock the cell, I don't want column wise also, row wise also to go down or go change. So I'm going to use the absolute reference. Enter, and then I will use the formula. Now it is saying this member 1 is in the selected area, first cell. Here selected area, third cell. Here selected area, second cell. Here we have the NA, which is an error. So we are going to say if error, then I want to show it as blank and click on enter. Now you can see this is showing you blank and 1, 2, 3, etc. Now I'll copy this formula and then select the task and click on conditional formatting, new rule, same formula is equal to formula, and I am trying to see if it is not blank in these cases, then it should be highlighting that cell. If it is equal to blank, then it should not do anything. So in this case, not equal to blank, in that case, highlight my cell, let's say this color, and click on OK. Now you can see task 1, task 2, task 3 has been highlighted. 5 and 6 is not highlighted. This I have put it here. You can directly put the formula within the conditional formatting also. Now I am going to remove this because we are not anyway referencing this. Now if I go to member 2, you can see member 2 is doing these many tasks. Let's see member 4. We can see member 4 is assigned with all the tasks, either backup or performer.